It may be tiny, but the Toyota Pixis is a perfect example why K-trucks don't have to suck. If you've always written off compact trucks as underpowered toys that can't handle real work, this Japanese workhorse is about to completely change your mind. While most people assume you need a massive V8 and a super long bed to get anything done, the Pixis is showing that smart engineering and practical design can outperform brute force in almost every situation that actually matters. Let's start the countdown. Number 7. Cargo bed versatility. Despite its compact footprint, the Pixis is offering a surprisingly functional cargo area that's designed around actual work rather than marketing specs. The bed sits low to the ground, which means you're not struggling to lift heavy loads over high bedsides like you would with a full-size truck. Loading bags of concrete, tools, or equipment becomes a simple task instead of a back-breaking ordeal. There's nothing more frustrating than owning a truck with a supposedly massive bed that's practically useless, because everything sits so high you need a stepladder just to reach over the side. That's where the Pixis is solving a problem most truck owners don't even realize they have. The flat floor design is allowing full sheets of building materials to lie completely level, while the reinforced bedliner is handling everything from loose gravel to sharp metal without requiring expensive aftermarket protection. The tailgate is dropping down to create a perfectly level loading surface, while integrated tie-down points are positioned exactly where you need them. For anyone who actually uses their truck for work rather than image, this bed is proving that intelligent design beats brute size every single time. But a practical bed is just the starting point, because the Pixis is offering something even more valuable for people who need their truck to do specific jobs. Number 6. Ultimate canvas for customization. The beauty of K-truck regulations is forcing manufacturers to focus on essentials rather than unnecessary complexity. This is creating a platform that enthusiasts and workers alike are modifying to fit their exact needs. Lift kits are transforming these compact haulers into legitimate off-road machines. Refrigeration units are turning them into mobile cold storage for farmers and fishermen. Custom canopies, tool storage systems, and specialized racks are allowing owners to configure their Pixis for virtually any task imaginable. Anyone who's ever tried to add a simple roof rack to a modern pickup knows the frustration of dealing with complex mounting systems and installation costs that exceed the price of the rack itself. The Pixis is eliminating all that nonsense. Welding custom brackets, installing upgraded suspension, or adding auxiliary lighting doesn't require special dealer tools or software updates, because the underlying platform is straightforward and accessible. Installation costs are staying reasonable compared to the thousands you'd spend modifying a modern full-size truck. The Pixis is giving owners true control over their vehicles, and that freedom is resonating with people who are tired of being locked into manufacturer-controlled ecosystems. Of course, all these modifications are only worthwhile if you're not hemorrhaging money just to keep the truck running, which leads us to where the Pixis really starts embarrassing traditional pickups. Number 5. Great fuel economy and low emissions. Let's talk about a pain point that's hitting every truck owner's wallet harder each year. Fuel costs. The average full-size pickup is guzzling fuel at rates that turn every work trip into a budget-draining exercise. The Pixis is offering a solution that's going to make traditional truck owners take notice. The Pixis is delivering fuel economy that's making even hybrid trucks look wasteful. You're looking at figures that could exceed 40 miles per gallon. While your neighbor is filling up their F-150 for the third time this week, you're making a single tank last through an entire month of local hauling and deliveries. But the efficiency story goes deeper than just saving money at the pump. The Pixis is meeting strict Japanese emission standards that make most other countries' regulations look lenient. For businesses facing increasing pressure to reduce their carbon footprint, the Pixis is offering a legitimate solution that doesn't sacrifice utility for environmental responsibility. But fuel economy is only part of the ownership equation, and when you look at the complete financial picture, the advantages become even more dramatic. Number 4. Low cost of ownership. This is where the Pixis is truly exposing the hidden costs that traditional truck owners are paying without even realizing it. Modern pickups have become rolling money pits disguised as necessities. The Pixis is flipping this entire equation on its head. Every mechanic knows the sinking feeling of watching simple maintenance balloon into a multi-hour job because you have to remove half the engine bay just to change spark plugs. That nightmare scenario simply doesn't exist with the Pixis. Oil changes require less fluid. Brake pads last longer because the vehicle weighs so much less. When something does eventually need repair, the parts costs are reasonable and the labor hours are minimal. Over a 5-year ownership period, the total cost difference between a Pixis and a traditional pickup can easily reach tens of thousands of dollars. All these financial advantages are impressive, but they don't mean much if the truck can't handle the terrain where you actually need to work. Number 3. Strong off-road performance. This is going to challenge everything you think you know about off-road capability. Most people assume bigger means better when it comes to tackling rough terrain. The Pixis is about to prove them wrong in the most convincing way possible. The lightweight construction means less ground pressure, which translates to better performance in soft sand, mud, and snow. Where a 6,000-pound truck is sinking axle deep in spinning tires, the Pixis is floating across the surface and maintaining forward momentum. The short wheelbase is allowing it to navigate tight trails and sharp switchbacks that would stop larger vehicles cold. Low-range gearing is providing the torque multiplication needed for rock crawling and steep inclines. Farmers in Japan are using these trucks to navigate terraced rice paddies and mountain farms that would be completely inaccessible to conventional vehicles. That real-world proof is worth more than any manufacturer's marketing claims. Off-road capability is valuable, but it's useless if you can't actually get the truck to where the work needs to happen in the first place. Number 2. Excellent urban maneuverability. Parking becomes effortless rather than a challenge requiring multiple attempts and careful planning. You're fitting into spots that full-size trucks can't even consider. U-turns are happening in spaces where traditional pickups need 3-point turns. We've all been stuck behind that contractor's truck that's blocking an entire lane because it can't navigate a residential street without taking out mailboxes. The Pixis is eliminating those daily headaches completely. The tight turning radius is letting you navigate loading docks, warehouse yards, and construction sites with a precision that larger trucks simply can't achieve. The upright seating position is providing excellent sightlines in all directions, while the compact hood means you're actually seeing where your front wheels are going. In congested urban environments, the Pixis is eliminating the daily stress and scraped panels that come with oversized vehicles. But easy driving means nothing if the truck falls apart after a few years of work, which brings us to the most important quality of all. Number 1. Purpose-built durability. This is the characteristic that's going to change minds and challenge assumptions more than any other. The prevailing belief is that small and cheap equals fragile and disposable. The Pixis is shattering that myth through decades of proven performance in some of the world's most demanding environments. Japanese Kei trucks have been working in conditions that would destroy lesser vehicles for over 40 years. Rice farmers are loading them with 1,000 pounds of wet grain and navigating muddy fields every single day during harvest season. Fishermen are exposing them to constant salt spray and heavy loads of catch. Mountain villages are relying on them for everything from snow plowing to construction material delivery on roads that barely qualify as trails. These trucks aren't just surviving, they're thriving in environments where maintenance access is limited and reliability is absolutely critical. Nobody wants to be that contractor who can't show up to a job site because their truck is stuck in the shop waiting for a back-ordered electronic module. The Pixis is preventing those catastrophic failures through fundamental design philosophy. Instead of complex systems with multiple points of failure, the Pixis is using proven mechanical components that are built to be repaired rather than replaced. Suspension components are overbuilt for the vehicle's weight class because they're designed for constant heavy use, not occasional weekend duty. The engines are running at lower stress levels relative to their capabilities, which means they're accumulating hundreds of thousands of miles without major rebuilds. The Toyota Pixis is destroying the myth that capable trucks need to be massive, expensive, and inefficient. From its practical low-bed design and endless customization potential to fuel economy exceeding 40 miles per gallon and ownership costs that won't drain your bank account, this compact workhorse is proving that Japanese engineering solved the truck equation decades ago. Its off-road performance is embarrassing vehicles 3 times its size, its urban maneuverability is making daily driving actually enjoyable, and its proven durability is outlasting trucks that cost 5 times as much. The real question isn't whether Kei trucks can be good, it's why anyone would choose anything else for actual work. With all these qualities in mind, it's pretty clear that a small Kei truck like this can make a huge commercial success in North America. But it's not the only one, as rivals are bringing their tiny trucks as well, including Mitsubishi and its minicab. You can check it out in our next video and find out why this model could obliterate the entire compact pickup segment.